Hello, my name is Eric with Complete Clean, owner and operator. We're right here at our customer's home in Spring Branch. This is actually a small daycare that she runs. She has like around 8-10 kids. So we're getting it clean. They're getting it clean once again, just to make sure everything's sanitized and clean as the babies crawl on the floor. And as you can see, as with any daycare, the kids get the better part of it. But we'll just show you a quick before and after. This is around the third time we've cleaned the carpets for them, and every time they've been really happy with the results. So there you go, and we'll be back and show you the finished product. Thank you.